Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fresh install the Windows 11. Whether you are building a new PC or just want to get rid of the bloatware from your old PC, and clean install is the solution for you. I will be covering everything from BIOS setting to final desktop configuration, and this will include first of all the ISO file download. Next one is the Rufus download. Third one is the installation and its step-by-step configuration, and the fourth one is driver install and Windows update. So let's start without wasting our time, guys. First of all, we need to install and download the ISO file from the official source. Simply type here Windows 11 ISO and go to first link here and simply go to the ISO file option here, choose multi-edition, confirm it, choose the language and confirm it. Since this video is going to install the fresh OS on Windows PC or laptop, so make sure you backup all the data on your computer. The next software is we need to download is Rufus. Make a fresh bootable pen drive, and at least you should have 8 GB of the pen drive. Once the ISO file and Windows ISO file is downloaded successfully on your computer, just plug in your USB into your computer, and I'm going to pause this ISO file since I have already downloaded that to show you and save your time. So I just plug in the USB. You should have at least 8 GB of pen drive. That is the minimum requirement you have. And now I have already downloaded the Rufus as well. Just double click on this Rufus setup here, and I'm going to close this. It will automatically pick your pen drive. Now you need to locate for the ISO file download location. I have this, so I'm going to click on open, and this process will make a bootable pen drive. Partition scheme, just select GPT. This is the newer version. Target UEFI, file system NTFS, and everything is good. Now we can start the process, and also make sure you backup all the data here and then click on OK option here. This process is going to also format your USB, and I hope you know this process. So let's just wait here until it's completed. Bootable pen drive is ready now. We can close this and you can cross check it. Everything is good now. Now your target is to boot this pen drive from your target computer, and let's make it on the priority so that we can boot our system with the bootable pen drive. Insert your pen drive into your laptop or system. Now turn on your laptop and immediately press the BIOS key on your computer. We need to go to the BIOS setup. BIOS setup key may be different on your system or laptop, but we need to check that. I'm going to press F10 key. Now go to the boot configuration and then boot options, and here is the USB. We need to make it on the top. Press the change key F6. Now it is on the top USB, and it should be boot from USB. Now press F10. Laptop should be booting from the USB now. Now laptop is booted from the USB. Select next option. Select keyboard language next. Now click on I would like to install Windows 11 agree terms and condition, then click on next, accept. Here is the option to delete all the partitions here. Now I have deleted all the partitions here, only one is showing up here. Just select the total size, the largest one, and delete all the other one, then click on next, and window is going to install now. It's very easy. So now I can remove my USB from the system. If you don't remove your pen drive from your CPU, then it will again and again boot from the USB. So better is to remove this pen drive. Now you will see this. You can select your region and country. Keyboard language, skip. Now it will ask you to connect with your internet. So connect with your internet and then proceed next step. Once you connected your Wi-Fi, then click on next. Device name you can give, but we can also select it later. On this way, this will take some time. You need to wait here. It will go to 3 stages. This is basically installing the fresh and latest Windows with the security patches. You can also select this option, update later, but that is not recommended since we are going to install the fresh OS with the. So if you want to update it later, you have the options to update it later, or you can just keep it updating. If you want to sign in with your Microsoft account, just select this option to sign in, or otherwise we have the options to bypass this. If you want to bypass your Microsoft login and want to set up with a local user, I mean the local account on your system, then you can do it. How we can do it? Let me show you. Now what you need to do is you need to press shift function and F10 key like this, and if that is not working you can just press shift and F10 key to open the command prompt here. And once you see this screen, you need to type here the command start space ms hyphen cxh, then give colon and type here local only. This is the command exactly you need to type, then press enter, and you can then put the username here. You can put the password, I'm leaving it blank, and there we go. Local setup is in a progress, and we have successfully bypassed the Microsoft account as well. Then you can select here the next option, accept, and here we are. Windows 11 has been successfully installed on my computer. Now, now your next step is to update your Windows. Since we just said update it later, that is the reason we are going to update our window into the latest one here. So let this finish, and after that everything will be set up on your system, and as you can see this will install all the patches and driver including on your system. Just select a download all, or you can select one by one. So that's all for this video guys, and we have successfully installed the Windows 11, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.